Tim wrote a DM to the Cyclist Crypt last night saying, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Listen up, Tim. Crash the bike and stop fooling yourself. You don't have to be freaking Nostradamus to see. You just haven't got talent.
Hey mate, if you had to choose, always drunk, never wearing helmet, or always wearing helmet, never getting drunk.
VS Partnership Proposal. Hey Instacyclist, I recently came across your Instagram page and was really repulsed by the quality of your cycling content. Those videos showcase a total lack of talent. That being said, I couldn't help but notice that your engagement on Instagram is higher than it should be. We have worked with accounts similar to yours and surely made them decay and die. At the Cryptogram, we specialize in organically strangling Instagram accounts with too many followers. We do not require your Instagram password and give a guarantee of no followers or bots. Our clients see a decrease from 3,000 to 10,000 followers per month. Instacyclists like you need a digital timeout. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or inquiries. You can get started today in under 2 minutes. It's shit easy and dead cheap. Regards, Cryptogram.
Well, Cyclist Crypt offers you the whole truth, the harsh truth, and nothing but the truth, liberated from any GCN. I mean, generic cycling nonsense. You will never be great again. No matter how hard you try. No matter how much money you spend on gear and upgrades. Amateur riders in your late 20s and 30s, wake up and watch where your money goes. And how many KOMs have you taken lately? I'm just asking.
Won't drop 50 euros on therapy. I'd rather drop 5,000 on a new bike to drop the therapy.